fabric on your Bernina is a hassle, I have a $5 fix that will save you tons of frustration, and it's easy as putting a spring inside your Bernina hoops. This will work on your Bernina small hoop, medium hoop, oval hoop, and mega hoop. Every time I've shown my Bernina students this quick $5 fix, they're amazed how easy it is to hoop their embroidery projects. So if you've ever tried hooping your fabric and found that you needed 3 hands, or you've just about given up on embroidery, hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we're in the middle of filming the Bernina 790 videos. I'm also the instructor for the Embroidery Essentials online course and the Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course. So if you're looking to master your Bernina, check out the links below. Now back to this hooping issue. So these hoops have this little opening that spring back closed while you're trying to hoop it. And again, I struggle with this myself until I put the springs in. Again, links are below this YouTube video where you can purchase this $5 fix and get enough springs to put in all the hoops that you own. If you've bought any optional Bernina hoops lately, you know that this is a much easier to use system. A quick release and a quick tighten tightens the entire hoop around the fabric, making it perfect every single time. But sometimes these hoops are too big and I'm doing smaller projects. I need to be using the smaller hoops that came with my Bernina embroidery machine. Once you put these hoop springs in, I guarantee hooping will never be easier. Let me show you how. Start by taking one spring out of your package and knowing that it is going to sit in between these 2 gray pieces. Now, there is a nut at the end of this, so as you take this whole assembly apart, make sure that that little nut doesn't get away from you. This is what I'm talking about. If you go ahead and turn your hoop over, you don't even really need this inner hoop in. So if you just go ahead and set it aside, that will work just fine. Take the screw, slide it in the shorter side, and add the spring to the screw. Once the spring is in place it into the other side of the hoop, and then go ahead and set the nut back in this little channel. Once you get the nut reattached to the front part of the screw, you can see how the spring is already doing its job. It's holding this hoop open, that when I go and place my fabric in with these hoops, see how it holds that open, and until I get everything re-hooped, this is kind of keeping that spread apart so I don't have to find my third hand to try to do that part. So then you're just going to go ahead, put your fabric and stabilizer in place, and know that this will be exactly where it needs to be until you're ready to tighten up the entire screw mechanism. Just plan to leave that spring in there. Once it's in, I never take it out. So if you want a simple fix, click the links below this YouTube video to find out all the information, plus links to our online courses to help you master your Bernina sewing machine and Bernina embroidery machine. I hope to see you in class soon.